Mercedes just broke the rules. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated adventure vehicles of 2025, the Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Truck 6x6 camper motorhome. This beast is designed for off-road enthusiasts, overlanders, and luxury campers who refuse to compromise on performance or comfort. Let's break down everything from its jaw-dropping design to its cutting-edge tech, performance specs, and expected release date. The Armadillo Truck 6x6 is a head-turner with its rugged yet futuristic design. Inspired by military-grade vehicles, it features a reinforced steel frame, high ground clearance, and aggressive all-terrain tires. The angular body panels and Mercedes' signature LED lighting give it a premium yet tough aesthetic. The camper module is seamlessly integrated, offering a spacious living area without sacrificing aerodynamics. Roof racks, auxiliary light bars, and a winch come standard, making it ready for any adventure. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious yet functional cabin. The driver's area boasts a fully digital cockpit with a massive touchscreen infotainment system, augmented reality navigation, and voice-controlled features. The camper section includes a queen-sized bed, a compact kitchenette with an induction stove and fridge, and a wet bathroom with a shower. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and premium sound insulation ensure a first-class experience, whether you're in the Sahara or the Alps. Under the hood, the Armadillo Truck 6x6 is rumored to pack a hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged diesel V8 with an electric motor, delivering a staggering 750 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque. The 6x6 drivetrain features locking differentials, adaptive air suspension, and multiple drive modes for sand, rock, snow, and highway cruising. Mercedes' advanced 4MATIC Plus system ensures optimal traction in any condition. The electric component includes a high-capacity battery pack, offering up to 60 miles of pure electric range, perfect for silent camping. Fast charging capability allows an 80% charge in under 30 minutes, while the diesel engine acts as a range extender, pushing total range beyond 800 miles. Solar panels on the roof help top up the battery during off-grid adventures. Despite its size, the Armadillo is no slouch. Mercedes claims a 0 to 60 mph time of just 6.5 seconds, thanks to its hybrid torque boost. Top speed is electronically limited to 120 mph for safety. On rough terrain, the adaptive suspension soaks up bumps effortlessly, while the hydraulic steering provides precise control. This is where the Armadillo truly shines. With 18 inches of ground clearance, 37-inch off-road tires, and a wading depth of 3 feet, it can tackle extreme environments. The onboard computer includes terrain mapping and a crawl mode for technical sections. A built-in air compressor lets you adjust tire pressure on the fly. Expect the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Truck 6x6 camper motorhome to start at around $350,000, with fully loaded versions crossing $500,000. Official release is slated for deliveries beginning in late 2025. The Armadillo is a game-changer, blending Mercedes luxury with uncompromising off-road capability. Whether you're a hardcore overlander or just love the idea of a mobile penthouse, this truck has it all. Let us know in the comments. Would you take this beast on a round-the-world trip? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more futuristic vehicle reviews. See you next time.